Hello, we are in family mode today, and today we have opportunity to discuss making small talks. For example, you are in a party or a lunch. You are standing next to a one person you don't know. Who is he? But you want to make him a friend. You want to talk with him. So, for example, two people are talking, but they don't know what to do, what to talk. They don't have any topic. So they will do. This is called awkward silence. Awkward means uncomfortable, embarrassing. And making small talk is the kind of conversation in which you make your friend. You can talk, you discuss, but you do not go to a deep conversation. You just talk about important things, and you make the friend. And this situation, you will both will be comfortable and being a friendship to each other. And making small talk can help avoid awkward silence and making or communicating with new clients or new friends or new people with new things. So now I will call my friend Ayan, and he will tell you some of the phrases and I will discuss it. Hi Ayan.
Hi,
How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I'm great. Could you please tell me the phrases about making small talks?
Yes, I can tell you the phrases of small talks. It is very easy. Today I will tell you. I haven't seen you for ages. What are you up to? What are you going to up to? What are you doing here? I think it's a lovely day. Okay.
Okay, first of all, he said that I haven't seen you for ages. It's mean I haven't seen you a long time ago. I haven't seen you many years spent. I haven't seen you a long time. What have you been up to? It means what were you doing? Of course you will not tell the details. You will just say, for example, someone asks, what have you been up to? You will respond that, oh, this and that, just the usual. So, for example, you were talking about the weathers. I've got it isn't a nice day. It is a very good day. So, when you are discussing the weather, you will say this phrase. Making small talks, you can use it anywhere. For example, you are in a gathering and you want to make someone friend. So you will say, excuse me, and you will talk to someone, but not deeply. So, body language. Body language is also a language. It works more than your words. It works more than you talk. It works a lot. So you have to use your body language. It is very useful in everything. So now move to a recap. I haven't seen you for ages. What have you been up to? What were you doing? What are you doing here? Oh, this and that, just the usual. I'm great. And etc. There are more phrases, but I just want to discuss the useful phrases. Thank you and bye.